Did it just crash everything? What's going on? Oh, hello everyone. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Stream Deck XL. I'm just kind of upgrading everything right now. So 2 days ago we did the foot pedals. Now we're gonna do a Stream Deck XL. So let's go for it. So the reason I am upgrading to the XL is because it has 32 buttons. Wait, 4 by 8, and I need something a little bit more capable than my regular Stream Deck. It is getting older, but it still works. But sometimes the cable just doesn't work exactly the way it's supposed to. So, let's get it unboxed. Alright, so we got 2 tabs on the outside. There we go. That had nothing in it. Let's throw the top out. And instruction manual. Okay. Download software, plug it in, do some stuff to it. Alright. What's this? Oh, I can connect Twitch and stuff to it. Yeah, I already know this stuff. That's fine. So here's... Oh, wow. They actually put, like, bags on this now. Like, all their gear. Wow. Okay, so it just lifts up, and I can move it. And inside, tucked away, is the cable. USB-C to A. And looks like they got... important safety instructions. Probably something like don't put in water or whatever. This product may contain small parts which are choking hazards. Only use supply AC adapter, battery powered options. Operation. What? This doesn't even have batteries. Maintenance and cleaning, disconnect. Okay, so basically it's a bunch of garbage. And is there anything? I don't think there's anything else to this box because it's just stand put. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. So it's just a sticker and the cloth comes off. And whoa, look at that big one. It's like the size of 2 hands. Will it even fit in where I want it? It will just fit where I want it. Oh man, I forget having just like a nice... Yeah, I know the buttons are kind of like mushy, but they're like the new kind of mushy that like I like, because, I mean, like, it's just new, it's better, I don't want to say it's better than my old setup, but, like, old buttons, they don't click or clack as well as they used to, and this one's pretty nice. And, oh, okay, so that's, I think that's magnetic. Right? Yes. Oh, that's pretty cool. So, like, if I... It's like, wants to drag itself. That is pretty cool. I like that feature. Alright. I got a serial number on there. Probably shouldn't show that, but that's fine. Oh. It's got 4 nice rubber pads on the bottom. So if I wanted to just lay it down, I could do that. But I don't think I like that. I think I'd rather have it up. And so this thing's just... Oh, get rid of this claw. This is just like a magnet. There's nothing... Oh, wait, there's... Oh, this is peel. There we go. And so this is the rubber pad on the bottom. Awesome. Yeah, that's not going anywhere, really. The only reason it's moving right now is because the mat underneath is moving. That might be an issue. Or it could just be roughhousing the buttons a little bit too much. That's fine. Alright, so under here, let's undo the cord. And we'll plug it in and we'll see if it works. We'll see if it works. Alright, so this goes in. There. We're gonna put it through the hole. Put it through. Oh, that's trash. So we're gonna flip it around. And it should... There's the USB Type-C right there. We're gonna put that in right there. There. Up. And this should just kind of like fit there. All right. Now we got a Stream Deck. All right, let's see what's screen capture. Oh, nope. Should really have like a background. That's fine. Alright, so we got a prompt here. Do you want to copy the profiles from another Stream Deck? I'm going to say don't copy. Alright. And then we got this page. So we got our new Stream Deck XL instead of Stream Deck. Actually, I should have copied them all over. Is there a way to redo that? Oh. So I'm going to update this thing. Check for updates. Is the latest version. Oh. So they actually send out the correct oh no, that's the software. Update firmware. Nope. Update successful. Cool. And I think that was the same one. So that's not too bad. Yep, nope. Alright, nope, that's something else. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're all set up here. This isn't too bad. I can now have Wait, are these individually wrapped or? I'm just trying to play around with it. What the heck's going? All right, so let me shift it to there really quick, because like, I'm having some issues. If you look really carefully, let me turn off the light so there's no glare. I don't know. Wait, let me, okay, so I'm gonna move the, I hate you, random screen. Okay, so I moved that there. I don't know. I thought I saw a lot of like, okay, so you can like kind of see like it's already scratched up. Like right there. If you want, yeah, you can see like the button's already scratched up. What the hell? Like this isn't, this, like I just took it out of the packaging. And my mat is just kind of like, it's soft. What's up with these like, I mean, is it just like, I don't know, are they just that bad out of the... Is it just me? Just like, kind of like scratching them up, maybe? Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's because I have... I think it might be me, but also, it might not be me. Because there's like a huge scratch right down the center right there. I don't know if you can see that. Get the welcome thing out of here, because that's like messing up the... I don't know. If it's this easy to mark up, I'm like... The second version is not as good as the first. I thought it would be good because it was like, you know, the next big one. But I'm starting to see that maybe this is not as good as I thought it would be. Just based on the fact of the build quality. Because, like... Maybe I just need to get used to it. give it a shot before I consider it, like, broken. I can see just, like, a scratch right here across the screen. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I did that. But these things are, like, stupidly easy to mess up then. Like, right there. You know what? I would like to throw it off and just say, you know, whatever, but, like, at a high price point, this is over, like, 200 something for this. For this whole thing, for just this and buttons and maybe some software that goes with it. I think most of the cost goes into software. So, yeah. But other than that, maybe I did do that scratch. But they feel about the same as the old one. Actually, these ones are a bit tougher, but I'm pretty sure over time they'll wear down. So yeah, this is just my unboxing of the Stream Deck. We're gonna see how well it goes. We're not gonna program anything today. I might not program anything at all because I've already done programming the Stream Deck with my my original one, and it's basically just the same thing. This is just more buttons added onto it. This is 4x8, and so I'll have more stuff, and so I won't have to do folders inside of folders anymore, and hopefully just, you know, have it all up and running. So, I guess this is going to be it for tonight. Just because we're not really doing much. We're just unboxing it. And so I'll get your review later, maybe. From right now, it looks like it's alright. Like it's my other one. Just kind of like what I have, only bigger. So, till next time. Until I bring it up again, or program it, or, you know, we do whatever with it. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah. Bye.